Hi, today I'll be showing you how to find percents. So the first thing you want to do is set up your percent problem. So you want to start off with part. Oops, let's change that. You want to start with part. You want to use all this format all the time. It's going to be very easy. Part base equals x, which is the percentage, over 100. Now I'll explain what this means. So part is the amount of percent it is, like 40% of 60. So this will be the 40% in this case, this will be 60, and this will be the percent that you will need to find of 40% of 60. And this is 100 because in the percent there is 100 all the time, like 100 is the max. So let's say we want to find out 30% of 70. So in this case, 30% will be the part, 70, which is the total amount, will be the base, and this will remain the same. So let's set it up. 30 over 70 equals x over 100. So all you do is cross multiply. Cross multiply is when you multiply like this numerator to this denominator, and this denominator to this numerator. So it will be 3,000 3,000 over 70 times x is 70, and you just divide. Let's do 70. That is 42.85. 42.85. And that is the amount of percent 30% of 70 is. That's your answer. Now let's try a different one. Let's say 57% of 110. Oops. Of 110. So this will be the part. 57. 110 will be our base. And it will remain the same as x over 100. Now you can just simply cross multiply. 57 times 100. You will get 5,700 over 110 times x, which is 110, or you could say 110x. Some people do it this way. They could write 110 or 5,700 5,700 equals 110x. But I find this much more simpler for thing, because sometimes it might get confusing. So to this way, you want to get x by itself, which means that you have to divide 110 by 110, and that leaves you with 0, and that remains you with x. Now, since you divided this part, you also have to divide 5,700 by 110. So let's do 5,700 divided by, what was it? By 110, yeah. That equals 51.81. Then equals to x equals, put equal sign here because the equal sign goes straight down. 51.81. And that is your final answer. And if you want to use this way, don't forget the x, because the x is mainly important. It's an important thing. Yeah, I guess you don't have to use this way. You could use this way too. And that will also remain you with 51.81%. I guess you don't have to use this. But yeah, this one will do it. Okay. So just remember that you have to use part over base equals x over 100. This will always remain the same. And part is the amount of this number it is, like a portion of this number. And base is the total amount it is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.